Look what just arrived. My Pampered Chef Deluxe air fryer. I am so excited. Because of the COVID-19 restrictions, it took longer for this item to get here. I'm guessing this is going to be well worth the wait. When someone books a party under you at Pampered Chef, you get 50% off of an item once they reach $200 in sales. So I was lucky and I was able to get this at 50% off. And this air fryer is actually a multi-use item. Air fryer, rotisserie, and a dehydrator. You can do a lot of stuff with this thing. There's a nice little handled box there. So on the top here we have a cooking guide. Should be some recipes and things in there. I think this is for holding your fryer basket handle. Some other kind of metal tool here. Two of these little contraptions. I love how pretty and shiny it is. It matches the quick cooker and my cooking blender. Just leaves for a lovely matching look in the kitchen. Let's see here. So it's taped. So it opens up here. There. See what we can do. It's got that fry basket inside here. Comes out. You've got a nice tray here. It's adjustable where you can put it. Like that. Put it back up here for now. Open this thing here. All this cardboard around it. They really package this stuff up nicely so it comes to you safe, not damaged. So this is like the fryer basket. It like, you can spin it inside. Opens up like that. So you can do sweet potato fries, all kinds of stuff in here. Regular fries. And it has this nice metal tray to go down in the bottom. So for like when you're doing a rotisserie chicken, there is another tray here. And another tray. Slides in there. And then I actually got the full set with the coating trays and tools, so that I can coat chicken and whatnot, bread it. It came with these little mini oven mitts, super cool. Silicone. So these coating trays are really cool because they connect together like this. And then you use the tool to do your coating for your chicken. And on the top of everything came this recipe card here. A simple twist on Friday fish fry. Crispy air fryer cod recipe. Actually looks pretty good. Roasted vegetables and herbed lemon vinaigrette recipes on here too. Yum. You can do so many things with this. You can reheat pizza, you can make bagels, you can bake things. You can do an entire rotisserie chicken. You can make sweet potato fries and onion rings, whatever. On this basket here, you've got trays you can dehydrate fruit and vegetable pieces in here and make chips, roast things. You can make wings. I'm really excited about making some wings with a dry rub. It'd be really awesome. they'll be gluten-free and healthier for you. Here's what the back looks like with the air vent. So the little metal handle thing here is used like this. So if the trays weren't in here, this would just slide right in. It would be a nice rotating basket in your air fryer. And then you just use the handle to pull it out. It's pretty cool. These little pieces that were on the top of the box, they go like this. And then you tighten them. This is for your rotisserie chicken. Obviously I don't have it straight, but you get the concept. So I'm not sure how I'm going to store this yet in my kitchen, but for now I wanted to put it on my deep freezer and plug it in so you could see what it looks like with it on. When you open it, there's a nice light in there. Here's your options: air fry, bake, roast, rotisserie, heat, dehydrate, custom, cancel button, rotate, so you can rotate your basket here, and the light. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you're staying safe out there and you're having an awesome weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day.